We are jumping right in. You're going to use either an eyeshadow base or a concealer. It helps to pull the color out. If you're using concealer, dry it down a bit with a light color shadow or a powder. You'll see with every look we're using a base color, which is going to always be brown, either deep brown or light brown. Then you take your color that you like to use and put it on the lid. Go back with the original brush that you put the brown with, and you're going to buff out the corners to remove the demarcation. Boom, there's your eyeshadow look. That's all you need. I'll show you another. We're gonna go with a lighter brown as your base. We're gonna grab whatever color you like. We're going here with this light orange shimmer. Put it right on the lid of the eye. Go back to your original brush that you put your brown on, and you are going to now, see, yes, buff out the edges to remove demarcation, which is the lines, the harsh lines that are shown. This gives you color and balance. Always use the base. I'm gonna show you another look with gold. We went in with the brown, and now we're going to put gold on the lid. It removes the gold from looking ashy and bold. It blends it down. You use the brush again to go back over. You do not need to reapply brown. Just use what is on your brush. Boom, you have a beautiful gold. Now, if you don't want to use shimmer, I'm going to show you the same concept with a matte color. So we're going in with brown. We're going to take this matte orange. Now, with mattes, you may have to continue to build until you find the color that you like. And all that simply means is going back into your palette, grabbing more product, and going back onto the lid. You're going to do this until you get the color that you like. Go back in with the original fluffy brush to blend out the corners. As you see, I wanted a little bit more orange. So I went back in and grabbed more product, went back over the lid, and then grabbed my fluffy brush to blend out the corners. It's really as simple as that. It gives a nice balanced look, a nice balanced color, and you can do this with every color in your palette. Then from this point, you just play up on the eye. Here, I'm just showing you mascara. You put your base coat on first, and then your mascara of choice. And quick note, as you see, I hit my eyelid with the mascara. Let it dry down before you try to remove it. But we are also going to place eyeshadow underneath the eye. It gives it a nice bold look, but not too heavy. Same concept with the mascara. The base followed by the mascara. And then I take my brush and go back under and just clean up anything, adding a little bit more shadow, giving the look a little bit more depth. That's it for your basic eyeshadow tutorial. You know what I'm saying? Just play. You can do this.